Rishtpusht Uramrit. Uramrit is a rejuvenating tonic for kidneys and adrenals. It supports healthy urinary flow, thus assisting in the natural cleansing of the body. With combination of herbs: Varina, Crateva nervala, Amla Vedas, Garcinia pedunculata, Asana, Carocarpus marsupium, Blue Tulsi, Salvia plebea, Gokru, Tribulus terrestris, Guduchi, Tinospora cordifolia, Carpora, Cinnamomum camphora, Cosni, Sicorium intibus, Kadira, Ascacia caduceus, Lachalu, Mimosa pudica, Modi pishti, pearls powder, Pasanbade, Virginia ligulata, Roctopurnava, Boravia diffusa, Sarivashvit, Hemidesmus indicus, Sal, Shoria. Supports healthy kidney and urinary tract. Rishtpusht Uramrit. Formulated under the guidance of globally renowned Ayurvedic healer Dr. Navdeep Sharma.